Hello everyone. In our CRM class today, our topic is ECRM. What it is? What is ECRM? ECRM stands for, as you know, Electronic Customer Relationship Management. Then, what is this Electronic Customer Relationship Management? It refers to the use of electronic communications, use of electronic communication channels for what? To interact with the customers in personalized and efficient manner. So it is the use of electronic communication channels to interact with the customers in an efficient and personalized manner. That is ECR. Nowadays, because of this widespread of internet, ECRM has become very popular, and the firms also are able to communicate or interact with the customers, and they are able to access the customer information intelligently and interactively because of this ECRM. Nowadays, the ECRM is very necessary for the organizations or firms because of increasing demands of customers and heavy competition in the market, and the customers loyalty may change quickly, and the customers are expecting fast response. So because of all these things, ECRM is becoming very essential for any organization. What are the features of ECRM? First, ECRM is heavily dependent upon customer database and data warehousing. This database and data warehousing is maintained by the firm on a regular basis. So this is the first feature of ECRM. And what is the second one? It aims to interact with the customers using multiple channels of communication. It aims to interact with the customers using multiple levels of channel, like for example internet. Also that means PC, internet on computers, personal computers, and we may also use some applications in mobile phones. So like that, multiple channels of communication. Aim is to interact with the customers efficiently. That is the second feature. And third feature, ECRM helps the organization to expand its market base and enable it to enter the new markets, to expand the market and to enter the new market, to penetrate the market also. And ECRM is structured to identify potential customers and also profitable customers. So these are the four things which should be discussed in the features of eCRM. So if you can recall it once, what is the first one? Heavily dependent on database management and data warehousing. So second one is it aims to interact with the customers using multiple level channels of communication. Third one is it helps the organization expand the market or to enter into the new market, and it is structured to sorry identify the potential and profitable customers. So these are the features. Next, let's come to what is the advantage or what are the advantages of eCRM. The very first and important advantage is cost effective. This is a major advantage. It reduces the cost to maintain the customer relationship management. Of course, whenever we use one kind of technology to do something, generally it reduces the cost, right? So for example, if a CRM is enabling the organization to interact the customer in order to send an invoice, or maybe in order to pay, make the customer to pay a bill. So usually a representative, if he wants to go to the customer and interact many times, it takes a lot of time and also cost. So instead of that, what the organization is doing, it is using CRM, which enables the organizations to interact the customers periodically and regularly. So that is how it is cost effective. And adaptive to new technology. eCRM is adaptive in nature, and it can easily be aligned with other technological tools to provide a better customer service. It can be aligned, it can be used along with mobile phone applications, for example. So like easily it is adaptable to other new technological innovations also. And anytime availability is the advantage. So irrespective of timings, for example, what are the timings of banks? Probably 10 to 5. So earlier what was the circumstances, what was the situation? If anyone wants to go bank and withdraw the money, he has to personally go to the branch, any branch of that bank, and he had to withdraw the money. But in the present situation, it is not like that. Everyone is having even UPI applications, and they are sending directly money in the digital platform. So that is how it is anytime availability. CRM is also similar to that. Irrespective of timings of the organization, whenever a customer wants to interact with the organization, or whenever a firm wants to interact with the customer, it can be done by using this CRM. And increased customer satisfaction, of course, because the CRM enables the organization, the CRM allows the organization or firm to send personalized messages or customized offers or customer specific offers, because the CRM has the ability to analyze each and every customer and his history of buying the products. So depending on the history of this buying, it can provide the customized information to the customer. So automatically it leads to the increased customer satisfaction. And quick response. So the organization, the firm, or maybe the customer can immediately get the response. As we have discussed, it is anytime availability. So whenever a customer asks for the information, immediately the firm can send by using this electronic CRM. Because maybe by mail, if we ask something by mail to the organization, immediately it can send the reply. So instant response is possible. And lower marginal cost. So it lowers the firm's marginal cost because it is less expensive to construct and maintain a website. It is not much expensive to develop a website and to maintain a website also. Usually it happens with the less or lower cost itself. Opportunity of new customers. The latest eCRM services options, they integrate a variety of databases and provides the firm to serve the new potential clients all over the world, across the globe. And eighth advantage with this ECRM is self-control to customers. Nowadays, number of new and powerful ECRM tools are available in the market. They provide the customers the opportunity to self-direct information. Such systems saves a lot of time for the firm and the customers also. If any information is required by the customers, he can get it by just searching the information that what he is searching for or looking for. That is why we are calling it as self-control. He wants some information, he is getting it by searching. So self-control is also possible because of this electronic customer relationship management. Right? The concept, features and advantages. Thank you.